how to see Netflix password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can see a Netflix password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, even if you are logged in to your Netflix account, you can't actually view the current password. It's just like you're asking what is your ATM pin to the bank, because even if the bank knows, they're not going to tell you the password. So there's only one way if you are lucky to see your Netflix password. That is that if you open up your browser here, and if you have happened to save your Netflix password on your Google account or anywhere, when you go to netflix.com and then you try to sign into your account, you should be able to see a list of pre-saved passwords over here. So you can select a certain password over here, and once you have done that, you can just tap the show password option to basically see your password, and that's the only thing that you can do. Now in case you don't remember your password, I recommend the only thing that you can do is just try to reset your password by tapping the forgot password option. This way you should be able to see the Netflix password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.